Hey guys, it's Andrew from Bullion Now. We're going to be looking at a technical analysis video of silver in US dollars. And just want to say that this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion and what I can see in the charts. So what I'm looking at is to prepare for some consolidation as well as to scout for some lower highs. So if we look at some horizontal levels here, just in the last 10 minutes or so, we can see that this level here at $20.16 has broken. Potentially going to come back up to hold that level. However, if we don't hold that level, we're looking down at $19.90. Now, if I draw a rising wedge on this, we can see that this level here we can see that it's broken down from this level here at $20.30. However, I wouldn't be looking for a full measured move off this until that $19.90 level has broken down. And targets from that would be pointing down to this $19 support level we have here. However, if I look out to the 2-week chart, we've got this purple box of prosperity here, and I'm still potentially looking for that move up to 2150 to 2250 that we were looking at in the last video. As we can see, there's a lot of resistance there. And one thing I didn't mention was that with the RSI here, what we can see here, let's just turn off all that, is we do have two drives of bearish divergence where the RSI is lower and the price is higher. And we've also taken out this local low here. So that would give me some confluence and some confidence that this move would head down a little bit lower and potentially all the way down there. So that's just my take on the silver charts in the US dollar. Just a quick update on that for you. If there's anything you want to add, please leave a comment down in the section below. Thank you all for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.